Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where can you find or how can you check out the IPO Center on the Webull application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the menu icon down below in the right side corner of the screen, and then click on the More button within the Shortcuts section. After that, you should scroll down to the Markets section and click on the second option, which is IPO Center. Here you can find three sections: filed, upcoming, and listed. Here you can find the items, a symbol, offer amount, file date. If you are interested in one of these, tap on the relevant one to check out the information about this in more depth. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.